Hi all, Edo here. So, I'm back on track to do a Monday night pub stop. I haven't done one in ages. So, back on track. I'm heading for the Sinking Pub, or Roches in Donadea. I passed this place, myself and the missus would have passed this place for, I hate to say it, 30 odd years. Sharon was from Lucan, and we'd go up, do a visit, and we always took the back roads home, mainly because neither of us like main roads. So I hate to say it, yeah, we've passed it for years upon years upon years, and I always said we must stop at some stage, we must have an old point in there. Not that either of us talked like that, but it was just too far. It was just a little bit too far to drive on the way home. I could have had a mineral, I could have had whatever, but knowing me, I wouldn't. So, it's on my list of pub stops, and yeah, I'll give it a go. As I said, it's probably, 15, maybe only 40 minutes away from from our house. So it's not exactly a big adventure, but I've been dying to give it an old go and a goo and whatever. So I'll pull in, park up the van, go in, politely ask about parking outside, and once that's done, my first question will be, can I park up outside? My second question will be, I hope you have chicken wings on your menu, because I'm freaking starving. So that'll be a bonus. I'll have to get something to eat of some sort or other, and a few scoops to wash it down. So, on that note, I'm only about, maybe, I wouldn't even think 10 minutes away. So, the next waffle you'll hear from me is either I'm walking around the site, I'll grab the camera gear with me, take a few photographs inside, and do an old waffle, see how busy it is. As I said, I've never been in it before. So, on that note, until my next clip, photograph, waffle, or whatever, chat to you shortly. Gura Mahagat. Okay, I've just fallen over this pub. Roches. Sorry, some lad flying in there. Roches in Donadea, the Sinking Pub, as it's known. What a cool spot. The inside is absolutely fabulous. I'd say you can see the old original building, shape, floor, the whole lot. They've built on since, which, fair enough. It's fantastic. Hope you can hear me with the music in the background. Not that I mind, good old Jonathan Bon Jovi. But it's lovely. It's my first time here. Myself and herself, as I said earlier on, passed this place for, Jesus, decades. And don't know why. I don't know why you didn't do it. Should have done it. First of all, cheers. Sláinte. I had chicken wings and chips, a few scoops. I'm in the beer garden now. I took a few photographs. I've already them shared on the Campervan pub stops. So I'll stick this up later on or tomorrow or whenever I edit or not edit or do whatever. I make this up as I go along. This is my Monday night pub stop. But yeah, this is a serious cool spot. I'm not too far from here. I'd say 40 minutes maybe. I'll time it out tomorrow when I go home. Well, that's if I go home straight. No, me, I'd turn off somewhere and go elsewhere. So I'll do this again. It's free for me. I'm in the car park down that way somewhere, and I'm not using their electricity or facility, so it's free of charge. For €15, you can hook up, elect hook up, and I think he said, I was talking to a chap here, Al, lovely dude, Jesus, had a great old chat with him now, in fairness to him. He came over, he started a conversation with me, so fair play to him. So I'm sure he said, for the 15 quid, that's your electric hookup, your toilets, and washing facilities. I think he said there was washing machines in there. You get a key of some sort or other. So yeah, it really is cool. I took a shitload of photographs. If I can get back in later on, the lowest part of the bar, it's gas. I got a pint there a second ago. And when you're standing at one end of the bar and you're looking towards the other end of the bar, it literally does go downhill. It is a sinking bar. It is not level by any standards. So it really is a cool spot. So on that note, I'm going to talk, or shut up now because I'm talking shite. I'll do some sort of clip or do some sort of editing or do something or other, and I'll show this off on, I don't know whether with YouTube, with that music on the background, it'll let me play or not. But if not, I'll bang it up on Facebook anyway. I'll stick it up on the pub spots Facebook site. So on that note, cheers, sláinte, good morning, all the above. Thanks. Come to Roches, the sinking pub, Donadea. It's worth it.